This is How-Tos with Aaron. Today we're working on a Ford F-150 2006. So I've already changed the gear shift cable because the way they designed it is not very good and it burns and melts and breaks. So I replaced it and still had problems. So now I'm going to show you how to do a do-it-yourself fix. So there it is. Here's the problem. This is exposed. My cable is still in one piece, but this mesh that's supposed to allow you to put it in park without it bending is all shredded, and so now it bends when you shift it. So we're going to do a little fix to fix that. Alright, so I've got it cleaned off. All the old parts are off. Now we're going to take this copper pipe. It's very bendable, flexible, easy to cut, 1/4 inch. Kind of see about how long we need to make it, and we're going to take this grinder and cut it to the length we want, and then I'm going to cut a line down the middle just to open it enough to get the wire in there, and then we're going to take pliers and squeeze it shut on it. So I'm going to cut it now. Alright, so here we go. I just cut one slice right through the whole thing. I'm going to take a flathead screwdriver and just kind of open it up a little bit so that we can get the wire inside. The copper is very flexible and easy to work with. Okay, so we've got it opened up nice and wide. Now we're just going to take it, place it over our wire. Make sure your wire's tucked in nice and tight so when you clamp it, it doesn't pinch on it. Just going to take some pliers now and pinch the copper back shut. Just make sure that it's in there nice and tight so that it doesn't hang up at all. You can even kind of push on your cable here, test it out a little. Okay, in, boom. Problem solved. And the copper's not going to melt. I think I'm going to take some of this Gorilla Tape and tape around it just to be sure. I don't know, probably doesn't even need it. It's working pretty good. Now all I got to do is hook it back up. And that's how to do it. That's how I did it. And remember, we can do anything through God, and God can do anything through us. Be blessed.